Namaste and welcome to this video. So I'm back with one more video, and today what I'm going to share with all of you is one of the teacher training workshops topic that I had conducted in the month of April. And this particular workshop was on lesson planning, but not just lesson planning. It talks about what is the role of constructivism in lesson planning. Now, as teachers, we all know that when we are asked to design lesson plans, we tend to get a little jittery at times, and we really don't know what to plan, because we don't have clarity in our minds as to what we want to do with our students. So here, this particular workshop helped the teachers to understand how they can make effective lesson plans using constructivism. And what I'm going to share here today with all of you is a few images of how engaging the workshop was, and a few activities that were presented by the teachers of that particular school. I hope you really enjoy and take the learning back with you, because I'm sure it is going to help you to become more effective planners of your lessons and the way you deliver them to your students in class. So keep watching, and I will meet you in the remaining part of the video. Thank you.
Fine. So just stand together. Now, I want you to introduce yourself to me with a nice describing word about yourself. You all know what is a describing word? Visheshana for the Kannada teachers. I just learned that yesterday, so I'm learning it. Adjectives. You have to use an adjective. Are you ready with your questions? Yes. Alright. Start. No, don't answer. You ask it. No. 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 Maybe. Can you name a few?
enjoyed the video that you just saw on the role of constructivism in lesson planning. And I hope that you will have a fair idea of what happens or what transpires in the workshops for teachers that I usually conduct. So if you are looking at having such a workshop in your school, or you know of any other school who wishes to conduct teacher training workshops, I have shared all the details in the description box. Please do take a look. If you have liked the video, do leave your comments and do subscribe to my channel.